Good morning. Today is Friday, February 22nd, 2013. It is just now 12 o'clock. I am standing in front of my AirTap ATI66 water heater again. And problems part 2. Set temperature is 135. The water temperature right now is 77 and the top of the tank temperature is 101. Instead of starting it from basically off and warming up from scratch, I got out of the shower a little while ago. The end of my shower was rather chilly. My wife got up at 6:30 this morning and took a shower before she went to work, and I didn't actually take a super long shower, but yeah, I ran out of hot water real quick. So I'm starting this off in the middle. The top of the tank temperature right now is 102 degrees. The overall water tank temperature is 77 degrees. It's 12 o'clock. This is kind of standard second shower recovery, and second shower was short shower. Last time they said they didn't know what the temperature was, so noon, and the temperature in my garage is currently 49 degrees. The last time it was 50 degrees when we ran the test. So that's it for now. I will be back later with updates. Hello again, and here we are at 12:30, and if you'll notice, the top heater part has already kicked off. The water tank is 88 degrees, set temp 135. It's off. Something else to note is I have this unducted. They said that maybe the ducting might have been causing a problem, so I've been running it unducted. And still, we have the top element heater kicked off. Top of the tank says it's 135, but my tank temperature says it's 88. Temperature is still 49 degrees, and it is going to be several hours before the rest of the tank catches up. And if you'll notice that, I'll almost drop back down. So yep, and there it goes. So it's going to slowly start dropping down as this goes back up. It might even kick on once in the next several hours when the top of the tank drops down to 120. So it's going to be 3-4 hours before I would let anybody take a shower, because they'd have, you know, a 5-6 minute shower, and then their water would only be 88 degrees, and that's totally unacceptable. Alright, so I'll be back later with more updates. Hello, here we are. It is almost 5 o'clock, and my water temperature is up to 134 degrees. The top sensor is at 134. It's been off for quite a while, and so about 5 hours to get from where we started. Again, I'm not ducted. The temperature in the garage is now 51 degrees, so we've even gone up a little bit. And one of the things that that I was thinking about is, if the electric element is at the top of the tank, and that makes the top of the tank heat up, and the mid tank would stay the same. Well, the air tap part, the air condenser part's in the middle of the tank, so I'm wondering what's heating the water underneath of it. And so here we have the tank with the high temperature warning. It's at 34. It's probably going to turn off here any minute now. And now what I have done is, down here at the bottom of the tank, this is the outlet valve. I have hooked up the switch because it's easier to turn on and off than the thing in the back. And if I turn the water on here, this is the water that's coming directly out of the lower part of the tank. It says the whole tank's at 134 degrees, and that water is not 135. It's only that far coming out of the tank. It's warm, but you know, at 135 degrees, that should be burning me. I did bring a little thermometer. Not a super great little thermometer, but it's decent. And if we put this in the water, slowing down at about 107 degrees. There it stopped at 107. So here we have, this is just about to turn off. It says the top of the tank's 134, mid tank's 134. It's going to turn off here any moment, or maybe in a minute or two once it finally gets off. But the water at the bottom of the tank is only at 107 degrees. So I don't think this is really a bad tank. I think it's just a bad design, because they have the heating elements at the top and in the middle, and they don't have anything heating the bottom of the tank. So this isn't heating 66 gallons of water. I figure it's maybe heating 60% of that, so I'm getting maybe 30 gallons or 35 gallons of hot water. So this is not really working for me. You know, when I went with the AirTap, paid extra for the, you know, the whole hybrid to save energy and all of that, but I paid a lot extra for the hot water tank. And first and foremost, I want hot water. The saving the energy, the green bit, that's just icing on the cake. But so I'm going to need hot water more than I need, you know, something that doesn't give me hot water and saves me energy. If it's not giving me hot water, it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, and that just doesn't work for me. So anyway, back to you guys. Tell me what you want to do. I'll talk to you soon.